Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda, the Who That's teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of the line dance is, don't you know that? It is a one wall dance. It's 3 parts, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Want to give a shout out to everyone that always like this video, leave me a comment. Guys, thank you. I appreciate your support, and thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in record time, and let's mess it up. Soul Line Dancing and myself is so excited about hosting you in 2026. We're looking forward to it. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in the demo, watch till the end. So let's get to it. So this is a one wall dance. It's 3 parts. So let's start with part 1. Okay. So I'm gonna face in this direction because we are gonna make a half turn. So this is a front and back dance. So I'm gonna teach you side to side. So we're always dancing side by side. You can see my footwork and I can see yours. Okay. So we start here. So it's going to start with a tap tap. So let me show you part 1, then I'm going to come back and get you and break it down. We go tap tap, turn, cha cha, pivot, cha cha, roll back, and swirl, swirl, kick, kick. That is part 1, and we're going to do it twice, okay? So from the top, the weight is on the left, and we tap in, out. When we tap in, out, we're going to do a quarter turn with a kick, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Kick 2, 3, and 4. Cha-cha up. So when you kick, cha-cha up, step, pivot, turn, full turn, left, right, left. Roll back, right, roll back, left, swirl, right, left, kick, right, left. Okay, so let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. Kick. Remember, do that quarter turn to your right. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Kick 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl 5, 6, kick 7, 8. From here, we're going to do that sequence again. So you're doing part 1 twice. Same thing twice. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1. Kick 2, triple, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Roll back. 1, tap 2, back 3, tap 4, swirl 5, 6, kick 7, 8. So I just did part 1 twice. Okay? And it brought us to our back wall. Because when you do your tap, you're going to do a quarter turn to your right. Okay, so let's put that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1. Kick 2, triple, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, full turn, 7 and 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl 5, 6, kick 7, 8 is 1. Kick 2, triple, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Roll 1, tap 2, 3, 4, swirl 5, 6, kick 7, 8. Part 2. Part 2 is going to bring us back to the front wall. So we're going to cha-cha up, rock up and recover on the left. It's 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, pivot 5 and 6, back 7 and 8, back 5 and 6. Rock, recover, left, right, left. Easy. We're going to do it walk easy, half turn back. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha up. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5, and 6, easy. 7, 8. Then we're going to dip to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rock for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. To finish off part 2, we're going to do a Lindy to the right with a half turn. 1 and 2, back 3, 4, left 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. We're going to do it again. Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, back 3, 4, 5 and 6, half 7, 8. That is part 2. Okay? So from here, we did a cha-cha up. 5, 6, 7, back wall. 1 and 2 up, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, easy, 7, 8. So right shoulder come back, half turn. Right, left. Dip right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we dip right, we dip left, and we're going to rock for 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do a lindy to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. So we turn back, 7, 8, making a half turn. Then we do that part again. 1 and 2, back 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. That's all of part 2. So now we got part 1 and part 2. And after we finished part 2, it brought us back to the front wall. It is in one wall jazz. So let's put 1 and 2 together. Remember, you're doing 2 twice. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1. Kick 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7 and 8. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl 5, 6, kick 7, 8. Get it's 1. Kick 2, up 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, triple 7 and 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl 5, 6, 7, 8. Part 2, cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Back 5 and 6. Easy. 7, 8. Dip 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left 5 and 6. Half 7, 8. Lindy 1 and 2. Back 3, 4. Left 5 and 6. Half 7, 8. Part 3. Okay? Part 3, you roll back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Out and touch the heart. So you roll back. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in, left, and you kind of like roll in place. 5 with the hand gestures. So it says, don't you know that I love you? Don't you know that I love you? Don't you know you know? And you do it again. No, you start over. Okay, so that's part 3. Part 3 is real short. You roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 7 and 8. So you're doing 7 and 8 up and down with the hand gesture over the heart. 7 and 8. Okay? So you roll back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in. Right, left, right, left. Right, left. Up and down. Okay? That's part 3. That's it. So let's put it together, and then I'm going to give you the rotation. That's it. That's the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1. Kick 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1. Kick 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, 3, 4. Swirl 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Back 5 and 6. Walk 7, 8. Easy. 1, 2. Dip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, 8. Lindy. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left 5 and 6. Turn 7, 8. To the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Part 1. I'm doing part 3. 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. So that's part 1, 2, and 3. Now, let me give you the rotations. So the first rotation, you're going to do just what I did. Part 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Then you're going to start over again. When you do the second rotation, you're only going to do part 1 and 2. You do part 1 twice. You do part 2, which is going to bring you back to the front wall. You're not going to do part 3, which is roll back, out, out. You're not going to do that on the second rotation, okay? So the first rotation, you do part 1, 2, and 3. The second rotation, you do part 1 and 2. The third rotation, you're going to do everything, part 1, 2, and 3. But when you get to 3, he's going to keep on asking you the question, don't you know? So you're going to do it 3 times. Roll back, out and up and down. Don't forget the hands over your heart. You do that 3 times. Out and up and down. It's roll, out, in, and you start over again, okay? So, the 4th rotation. When you get to the 4th rotation, we're going to do part 1 and part 2. We're not going to do part 3. And the 5th rotation ends with part 1. Okay? So, let me say it again. So, the first rotation, you do part 1, 2, and 3. The second rotation, you do 1 and 2. The third rotation, you do 1, 2, and 3. And remember, you're going to do part 3 3 times. Part 4, you're going to do 1 and 2. And it ends on the 5th rotation with only part 1. Okay? So when you watch the demo, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. Make sure you like this video. You give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, guys, even if you leave me some parts or something, okay? And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.